Welcome to the True ASP.NET Core Ultimate Guide. But before getting started with ASP.NET Core application development, first I would like to introduce what is ASP.NET Core to you. ASP.NET Core is a cross-platform, high-performance, open-source web application development framework. So using ASP.NET Core, you can create web applications and services. That means you can create web applications of any scale, small, medium, and complex web applications, and you can create REST API services which can act as a backend for web applications and mobile applications. Let us explore through the features of ASP.NET Core. It is the cross-platform. After completion of your ASP.NET Core application development, you require to host it. Means you require to install it on your server machine so that it starts receiving the requests from the client and providing the response for the same. So what kind of operating system required on the server machine? ASP.NET Core supports three mainly: Windows, Linux, and Mac. Generally, in most of the cases, we use Windows or Mac on the developer machine and Linux on the server machine. And on the server machine, there should be a software that can receive the request and can provide the response, which is also called as reverse proxies. ASP.NET Core supports Kestrel by default as application server and the remaining as reverse proxies. That is IIS, Nginx, and Docker, where the Docker itself supports various operating systems. You can run Windows or Linux on the Docker. Our ASP.NET Core application can run on any of these servers. It is open source. That means the source code of ASP.NET Core is available on GitHub for free. So that the benefit is that you will get updates of ASP.NET Core frequently. ASP.NET Core is developed keeping cloud in mind. That means it supports Microsoft Azure Cloud out of the box. There are totally 4 parts of ASP.NET Core: ASP.NET Core MVC, ASP.NET Core Web API, Razor Pages, and Blazor. Most of the web applications are developed using ASP.NET Core MVC itself, and this should not be confused with ASP.NET MVC, which was available earlier in .NET Framework. Whenever you are going to use model, view, and controller pattern in ASP.NET Core, it is called as ASP.NET Core MVC. And in case if you create only controllers with models but no views, it is said to be ASP.NET Core Web API. Generally, ASP.NET Core Web API used to create RESTful services so that it can receive the request and provide the data as response. Only the data but not the views. So that the front end can be created by using any one of the web application or mobile application frameworks. Such as, for example, you can create front end by using React, Angular, or mobile application frameworks such as Xamarin or Ionic. For all these front ends, the web API can act as a backend. In addition to that, for simple and page-focused scenarios, Razor Pages is available. And if the development team would like to use only C# language, both on the server side as well as client side also, then you will prefer using ASP.NET Blazor. Out of all these 4 flavors, the first 2 are most used in the real-world project development. So in this course, exactly we are going to focus only the first 2. And this is a comprehensive course that covers all essential concepts of ASP.NET Core with deeper and practical understanding. What are the prerequisites for this course? You will require C# itself, including the object-oriented programming concepts such as classes, inheritance, interfaces, etc. And you will require at least intermediate level knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's all you require, because we will learn all the remaining concepts whenever we encounter them. But before starting with ASP.NET Core, one should know why we have to use ASP.NET Core. What are the benefits? We will compare ASP.NET Web Forms, ASP.NET MVC with ASP.NET Core in the next lecture.